Well, you guys, and the journey begins.
There we go, look at that.
Who's out there gonna challenge us?
Wow, we go back at GI Automotive, you guys.
What's up? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. Why are we at GI Automotive? Well, my very rare manual gated LP640 Murcielago, that is right. Only 27 of them were ever delivered in North America, approximately 50 in the world, and was the last manual gearbox V12 that they ever offered. Now they don't exist. This is my pride and joy. Unfortunately, it's not doing so well, so it is here to go undergo some like open heart surgery, if you will, pulling the motor out.
Hey, Anthony.
Morning.
What up?
What's going on?
Top of the morning to you.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm gonna park and jump out.
Sounds good.
Boom.
By the way, this is like a go-kart on the road. I think we might have to get one of these. Probably in the next 6 months. Prices come down a little bit to where we can afford one. We're not loaded, so in the meantime, we'll just keep grinding away and hopefully we'll have this thing back on the road and it'll earn its keep. So let's go have a look at my Murcielago, talk to the mechanic here at GI. His name's Ryan, and kind of see where they're at with this engine being pulled out. Anyhow, yeah, without any further ado, let's go check it out.
So, in order to access the motor, I gotta tear it all down. So here's my rear diffuser, dry carbon fiber. This is aftermarket. This is not stock by any means. It's to resemble the SV kit. SV kit is definitely a more aggressive look for the body on the LP640, and the previous owner put all this on, and I love the way that it looks. However, it does devalue the car a little bit to a collector who'd want this car, let's say, for its main, pride and joy, which is the manual gearbox. However, I have all of the stock parts that came with the car. So while I own it, I leave these parts on, but I could revert it to a stock format if I really wanted to, unload it. However, my plan was always to drive this car. Right now, we just need to get it running again. So here's the wing. There's some of the rear wheels. There's a big tire on the back of a Murcielago, I'll tell you that much. Bunch of parts laying around here. These guys are getting ready to pull the motor out. We'll talk to them in a sec, they're just busy. There's my exhaust, all shrink heat wrapped. This is all aftermarket as well, came with the car. And yeah, we're gonna find, I don't really know what's wrong with this engine. All I know is it's not running right. And Ryan's kind of early diagnosis is possibly the chain is stretched and the timing's all off. So we're gonna find out. They've been here for about 2 hours and look how far they've already gotten. This is what we're here for, you guys, ladies and gentlemen. Pulling the V12 monster out of a Murcielago. Ryan, if you want a hand, brother, like, you just let me know. I came prepared today.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I mean, like, can't you tell? No, look. I got nice light gray pants on, shorts. Hey, these are perfect for the garage, aren't they? So, by the way, just so you guys know, not his favorite brand to work on, Lamborghini. He gets the job done, but there is actually a Murcielago Roadster right over here that came in for a full engine rebuild, sitting over here. And I said to Ryan, yeah, what do you think of Lamborghini? He's like, not my favorite car to work on. They're a pain in the ass. They are cool, but they're a pain in the ass to work on. So there's this one right here. It's getting a full engine rebuild. We did feature some of, this is its motor all in pieces right here in a previous episode. So I said to him, you didn't want the first one. Now you got two to deal with. He said, they're gremlins. They're multiplying. Someone fed these motherfuckers. That is a seriously large engine. Hey? So you guys have that other one like torn right down now, like even more than I saw before. It's all apart. Looks all like really cleaned up and everything.
Getting down to the bare block, that's what this is gonna look like.
And we're separated. You having fun yet, Ryan?
Oh yeah.
He's like, don't ever bring this car back once I fix it.
Done. Ship it, say goodbye.
That's right. Take it back to Canada. There we go, look at that. Separated. Oh man.
Well, you guys, and the journey begins. You've never seen a rebuild on a Mercy engine, you're about to.
Woohoo! That's a lot of metal.
Usually they come out with the transmissions.
Usually they come out with the training, hey?
Yeah.
And you were saying you left that in because you can do it as a manual?
Yeah, as a manual, it doesn't have the pump up top, and that makes those 3 bolts across the bell housing just brutal to get to. So this one, I can get to them no problem. So thanks for having the manual.
Hey, my pleasure. You know, yeah, it's just.
I really planned all this.
Ta-da!
Not gonna lie, it's a lot of work filming all of this, you know, just
sweat it out, eh?
You clean your hands.
Yeah. I should actually, I don't know how I got dirty somehow touching stuff. All right, now that it's out, inform me and enlighten anybody who probably doesn't know. Now what?
So we got her all undressed.
Okay.
Now time to get intimate. Let's start with taking off the intake.
Yeah.
Then we could get all the spark plugs nice and easy. We'll do a leak down. So a leak down is basically pressurizing air into it.
Okay.
And then we're gonna see how much of it escapes. So if it comes out of the valves, if it comes past the rings, that way we'll have an idea of where we're starting with the motor on the top end, how well it seals up, which probably is not the issue with this motor at all. It sounds like it's oiling issues, but it'll give us an idea of how much compression the engine still has.
You like the fact that I don't have the front diff.
Oh, I love it. Seeing that missing, yeah, it's the way they should have done it.
This and the manual is kind of the perfect combo.
Oh,
hey?
yeah.
Rear wheel drive, manual gearbox.
Yeah, beautiful setup.
I'm telling you, Ryan, you get this bad boy going again, I might just have to keep it and not even sell this thing.
Oh yeah, hold on to this thing. This thing looks like a lot of fun.
I've been on the fence.
I'm not lying. I've been on the fence because this car, since I bought it, has been a royal pain in my and I would love for it to drive and be amazing, but that day is still yet to come for me. I mean, all the times I've been driving it, and even though it hasn't been running great, I loved every second of it. So I can only imagine if this thing was actually running good and I don't break it,
You know, I mean, just saying.
Oh yeah, we'll get it dialed in.
All right.
Yeah, it'll be running nice.
Well, this will be fun. What are we going to do today? What's the rest of today's steps? You're going to do this today? We're going to take this off?
Yeah, I'd really like to. I want to get into the chain.
And have a look at the chain, see if we can figure that out today?
Yeah, to see what like the main big problems are. I'll spend some time with the leak down on it just to have an idea of where we stand there. But yeah, ideally I'd like to get into the chain and see how.
I'm down to get into the chain, bro. Like, my hands are already dirty.
Oh yeah,
let's do
you're
this.
a mess now.
I'm a complete mess. Look at this.
Look at that.
Look at this.
I
Have you ever
sliced
seen
myself
anything
up
like that
earlier.
before?
That's
Guy with a
delicious.
camera, sunglasses on inside your shop.
I'm pulling a Casey Neistat. You know why, guys? A lot of people give me shit for this. You know why, even though indoors I still wear the glasses sometimes? It's so you can't tell I'm not staring right at you. It's for my own insecurities, I'm not gonna lie. All right, progress update. Ryan's got this whole motor torn apart. He's got all the parts sitting here on the table. I don't know if we're gonna get any definitive answers day one, probably not. But long story short, he's gonna continue working on this. I gotta run from here in Beverly Hills all the way back down to Temecula to Sheehy Race. It's like a 2.5 hour drive right now with traffic. Probably even get longer as we go. So I'm gonna need to hit the road. Anyhow, this guy's doing amazing work. Huge shout out to GI, Ryan, the whole team here.
Boom. I mean, you've got it stripped, my friend.
Picking a little bit of slack in it.
Right there. That's a little more than you'd want.
Yeah.
You think that's the possible culprit? Not sure. Gotta keep going. That's why this is gonna be the build series. This ain't the
Nah.
build video, is it?
Right.
It's not. It's just not gonna happen in one
Can't
day.
edit it in that like that.
I could.
I honestly could, but I think, you know, we're gonna go with this stage, go do some shenanigans for the rest of the video, go give these guys a little update on some of the other cars, and we'll definitely be back. So Ryan's trying to diagnose what potentially is the major issue with the Mercy motor. And we're gonna have a quick look at the other Mercy motor right here.
Mild.
So what you think you saw some scoring in my motor?
Yeah, there's mild scoring through there too.
So this is the block from this silver first gen.
And it's just the same, right?
Relatively, so it's just kind of added on stuff. So from oil galleries to it, but the basics of the motor are the same.
Variators. You're hoping we don't have to buy variators.
I appreciate that. You said they're expensive. Hey, you killed it today, dude.
My pleasure.
I'll see you again soon.
Absolutely.
I gotta run. I've got multiple broken cars.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go tend to those, all right?
man.
Busy man. We'll be back, you guys, to GI Automotive. At this point, we're gonna jump in the PFS GT3 RS and hit the road. LA traffic. Okay, so we're leaving GI Automotive here in Beverly Hills, and I'm going to Temecula to Sheehy Race. Have you ever wondered when I jokingly say LA traffic, do you have any concept of what that means? I'm going to show you. I'm only going 92 miles, and it's going to take me 2 hours and 49 minutes to travel 92 miles. That's how busy it is at this time of the day.
I have proof right there, because we're going to Sheehy Race.
I'll spare you the 2 hour and 49 minute long vlog of just me driving. It'll be really quick. We'll be there like. And that is proof how long it took to get here, because now it's dark. 3 hour drive from LA to get back down to Sheehy. And the whole gang's here, the whole gang.
Hey, how'd your day go?
Amazing.
First time in
Private jet.
wow.
That was really cool.
Yeah, I was 3 hours in traffic.
Go f yourself.
Humble, hey, look what's here.
It's the Choi Boy Mobile.
The Choi Boy Mobile. I like his plate.
What does it say?
TT Lamb. That's so sick.
How original, Alex.
Oh, what's up, Johnny? Thank you for saving me once again.
Hey,
What are you doing here?
you know, playing a little bit of part Jenga, you know, stack them up and see what falls first.
What is this?
This is your guts right here. This is
This is
open
from
heart
the
surgery.
This is the Tire Slayer?
This is the tire.
No.
And the bill of health was not bad. A 1 to 10, this is like an 8.
Really?
It could have been a 0 if you would have let it go any longer, but all in all, not bad.
No
Not bad
kidding.
at all.
So what do we? So do we take it apart for no reason or what?
Basically.
No.
I mean,
Get out of
for
here.
you guys.
Get out of here. This was all just for the gram, hey?
This is just for the gram.
We did a motor pull and tore the whole motor apart for the gram.
Just for
For real? For real,
people
though?
that are curious, not
Like
really.
it's fine?
It's fine. I mean, head gaskets aren't breached. We got no valves that are damaged,
Okay.
which is great.
When you say no valves, don't just turn and point at it, because I don't know what anything is.
Everybody out there knows exactly what a valve is. You don't.
I don't.
but they-
So show me. So these are all
These are
okay?
your valves, yeah.
Okay.
These are exhaust intake.
All right.
And then I got it all broken down, bank 1, bank 2, and the equal size.
Everybody likes the bank.
Everyone loves banks. I mean, that's where the money is. But everything's in good shape.
Okay.
These guys get thrown away. This chain's gonna get replaced.
These get thrown away?
Yeah, they're
And
stretched.
the
They're one-time
chain?
use.
Oh, they're
The
one-time.
chain for the mileage you have, we didn't put new chains in it. New
Okay.
tensioner.
Yeah.
These bolts get thrown out as well. They're stretch bolts. So
Alright.
you knew that. We're gonna reseal these. All new gaskets there.
Okay.
This is a chemical seal, so we'll just clean it up. We're gonna put all this in a parts washer, make it look brand new.
Okay.
Give you another 100,000 miles.
Brand new.
What's wrong with my car?
You hear him? He goes,
Oh wow, we got a mad customer.
What's wrong with my car?
Well, sir, the Cal token. This is Cal token
I've
bank
been to the
1.
gym 3 times.
3?
One private jet. I've changed.
The only gym I know is Jim's Barbecue down the street. That's the only gym I know.
Jeez, Dave came in with the energy. Like a wrecking ball.
My man needs to slay some tires tonight. Get this done. Let's go.
Let's go.
We got a Supra, though, in the meantime.
Record
time.
time of changing the turbo.
30
Did we not?
minutes.
We broke it. Who's out there gonna challenge us?
Oh yeah.
That's,
oh,
that's the
yeah.
challenge.
Huh?
The
Challenge
30
us.
the
Not
30
the
minutes.
flex, subtle flex, but you know. So this is the bottom end.
All right.
This is the bottom end right there.
Jeez, you guys.
But
Don't
yeah.
get weird on
I don't know
me.
what happened in my head just now.
Not too many people get to see a Lambo motor taken apart like this, hey?
I'd like for them to look it up on YouTube. Nobody's doing this.
Look it up on YouTube.
This is
Torn
what
apart
it is.
Lamborghini motor.
Look at that.
Yeah?
Those are your journals. That's where your bearings ride for your
Yeah.
connecting rods over
Okay.
there.
Yeah, yeah.
No scoring, no bluing, nothing. It's perfect. Literally, the only reason we're doing this is preventative maintenance. You know why? Because the bottom of these connecting rods, you see all the wear into there. You see that discoloration right there?
Yeah.
That is it eating into the bearing material.
So-
No, that's not in the tune. No, that's not. It's just mileage,
Normal wear and
wear
tear.
and tear.
All right.
If
It's
we-
cool how you line these all up, actually.
You don't want to lose it.
Your little gizmo.
There's just 2 rods and some rubber bands.
Two rods and some rubber bands. That could be a song.
Sounds like a Friday night at my house.
All this stuff's
This
gonna
is
get
all
washed.
from my car?
This is all your car right here. That's your engine harness. That's your intake
That's actually
manifold.
crazy. That's a lot
Oh,
of
that's
stuff.
a
These are high-
lot of stuff
High
sitting on
pressure
this.
fuel pumps.
Yeah.
That's your flywheel. That's your lower girding pan, and that's all the water pump, oil pump unit. timing covers, all that stuff's here. All in one.
Just waving
That's
a
crazy.
flashlight around. Let's see this for a sec. Look at my stuff sitting here, you guys. All that.
And we got some hummus left over from last night.
Some leftover hummus.
It's still good. We just didn't have enough pita chips.
Just one more chip, eat it right out of the garbage. Can we buy you
the
dinner
hardcore.
tonight for
Yes.
everything you've done for us?
I mean, I will accept that.
Okay, and some claw. Get you some white claw.
To the boy, hey, sun's down, right? Claws up, boys.
Okay, we're going for dinner. Can I drive the Supra?
No, you
Am I stuck in the stupid Porsche?
GT3 RS.
I want to drive the Supra. I'm stuck in the stupid GT3 RS.
This thing needs fuel.
How bad?
Hey, want to race?
Yeah.
Race me. Holy crap! Turbo upgrade! Can you believe that?
The Supra. Well, this has 500 horsepower, so that's got to have more. Look at this cocky walk. He beat the Porsche. He walks different now.
What?
Literally, he beat the Porsche in his Toyota. Now he's all cocky. You saw you walking.
Oh yeah, you see that? You see this? I walk like this now.
He's a
I got the McGregor
Yes,
walk.
player.
Right? I'm gonna smoke the 3RS. When it hits third gear, it's gone. What are you doing? I can't take you anywhere.
Hold on, Damon's famous.
DD fam, they actually asked for a photo with you. I just jumped in.
How about you? You don't want a photo with
You want a photo with us?
Cool.
They barely
They actually straight up, they were like, DD, Dave destroys everything. And I was like, what am I, chopped liver?
Yeah. First time right here, you guys.
I wish my first girlfriend did that. I think I'm more committed to you guys than I am my relationship right now.